Another rainy day in the city. A good day to be working inside. I figured I'd be nothing but grateful, but got a want for change that I just can't deny. Yeah, I got me some stormy weather of the type that makes me wanna go high. But you got me where I am for the moment, Lord. It's gonna help some if I open up my eyes. To see you teaching me to sing in the dark, teaching me to sing in the dark. I'd like to run away, Lord, but you won't let me run far. Why are you teaching me to sing in the dark? Now I recall how much those fishermen tremble, the kind of storms you've taken them through. I find that I'm no different when the winds pick up speed. I gotta trust you're in the boat with me too. Yeah, we got us some stormy weather, but that just might serve to wake us inside. Awake to follow hard after the Lord of the storm, until we find we're taking part in His life. While He's teaching us to sing in the dark, teaching us to sing in the dark. We'd like to run away, Lord, but you won't let us run far. Why are you teaching us to sing in the dark?